Choosing the right underlayment for vinyl plank flooring in a bathroom starts with prioritizing moisture resistance and manufacturer compatibility. For floating vinyl plank installations, choose an underlayment that is explicitly waterproof or moisture resistant and designed for vinyl. Many vinyl plank products include an attached pad so you can install directly without a separate layer. When that is present, do not add another foam underlayment because it can trap moisture and void warranties. For glue-down planks, follow the manufacturer guidance, which often requires a clean, dry, and smooth subfloor and a thin vapor barrier or none at all depending on adhesive type. Look for underlayments rated for use over concrete if your bathroom is over concrete, and select one with a built-in vapor control layer to limit hydrostatic moisture movement. Consider underlayment thickness and compression resistance to avoid telegraphing subfloor imperfections and to maintain a firm feel underfoot. Thinner, high-density products are usually better for glue-down and some floating systems. If sound control is important, choose a product with acoustic rating designed for vinyl rather than generic carpet underlayments, which can be too soft and retain water. Always record the underlayment type and installation details with the floor product information to protect warranty coverage. 3 common mistakes are using a generic foam underlayment that holds moisture, adding 2 layers of underlayment which alters compression and adhesion, and ignoring the plank manufacturer's installation instructions. If someone uses a generic foam, switch to a vinyl-specific waterproof underlayment and remove any damp material before installation. If a homeowner or installer layers underlayments, undo the extra layer and reinstall with the single correct underlayment to preserve floor performance. If instructions are ignored, stop and review the manufacturer guidance and warranty terms, and adjust your method to match their specified floating or glue-down requirements. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work related to flooring and other home projects. We also host a community discussion area where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have completed similar renovations.